So, my very sweet friends Harshal and Natasha have sent me waffles. I'm just so happy that I'm like happy sign. I always want dessert. There's never a time I don't want dessert. Unless it's a very extremely sweet dessert, I never say no to dessert. So I'm so happy. And it's very timely. Of course, they sent it to me for this reason that we're celebrating the program launch of the Melbourne Film Festival. Yay. But I actually don't have that much work today, so I can actually enjoy eating this. And I wanted to celebrate in some way, I just don't know how. And I wouldn't get myself cake because I'm trying to get healthy, so I wouldn't do it. But I'm so glad someone else did it for me. Thank you, and it's so nice. This is me too. This is a chocolate one, and this I think is blueberry cheesecake. You know what? Let me try that. The chocolate one is so good, and you know it's crispy, so that's nice. It's not soggy. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like cake. Oh my god, look at it, dude. Fuck. You know, whenever I used to watch Gossip Girl, Dan's family always used to eat waffles, okay? That's all Dan's dad knew how to make. And since then, like, this is a childhood thing. I've always wondered what waffles were like and what they tasted. Like, just the concept of it because it's so alien to India. I mean, waffles are here now, but it's still a pretty new concept. It's not a, you know. I mean, it's reminding me of the hotel night I spent with Swati and Suchin. Because we got this waffles from the same place even then. This is amazing. This is cheesecake in a waffle. Like, Oh my god. Oh my god. There's actual pieces of blueberry. Like, it's the whole blueberry. It's been whatever dehydrated and stuff. This is so good. I'm so glad they sent me waffles and not like cake or something. This is fancier. And I was just looking at Swiggy's menu today for desserts because I wanted to send Aishu something because it was her birthday 2 days ago and I didn't send her anything. And she's the sweetest. She sends me things. Sorry. She keeps buying me things. She sent me something when I had COVID. She sent me something for my birthday. Even when we meet, she'll like treat me to ice cream. She's damn sweet. She's one of those, you know, generous AF people who never keeps hisab in her head. There's nothing like hisab. She just gives. She's amazing. So I really wanted to give her something, but I was so busy with work that day that I didn't. So I need to give her something. So this is chocolate something. Like, what's the crunchy thing? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so messy, but oh my god. This is so good. Thank you so much, guys. I can't eat anymore because it's a little too sweet. As in, to eat all at a time. But they taste amazing. So, I thought I'll record this as a thank you to you guys. And that too, sitting in another state, busy with work, and Harshal's also so busy with work and exhausted, and they still thought of sending me this. And in my head, I think I wasn't realizing how big a deal this was because we've just been working so hard that now it just feels like this needs to get out of the way. And for us to be relieved again, it wasn't seen as, oh my god, we worked so hard towards this, we need to celebrate it sort of thing. So this really helps me celebrate that and realize that this is something that I worked on, I worked really hard on, I had fun working on, and it's a big step in my career, I think. So, thank you for understanding that and being thoughtful about it and being so sweet. Okay, is there anything else? No.